Yes guys, daily vlogs of Videsh and plenty grass. The rain falling, the grass going back very quick. So it's just me and Anya here. So I want to cut the grass, pick up some dog shit. But the real exciting thing today, we have a big bunch of fig to cut. You see that, Anya? Let me just put on jet and thing. Check it out, have you seen it in the back there? I see one jet flying, I don't know why, I don't know if I've seen it. So I want to pick this big bunch of fig. Check what I have. My chopper. Beautiful. Let me check out the pipes. And here's some pimentos to pick. So, I'm gonna clear the way a little bit, yes? Oh my god. So the fig is perfect. So the fig looking perfect?
Yes.
And you have to cut down the tree to it, and you know that, right?
Yeah.
A fig could only bear one bunch of fig. You know that, Anya? After that, it don't bear any more fig. But you get a lot of babies. So it's two little big trees. Look at the big patch of God, this jet boy. Jet move. I get so much of jet bite. I get so much of jet bite in my life. I don't want no more. Real jet bite I get. When I small, like I used to only get jet bite. I don't know. I was bad lucky. Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
You must be seeing the bunch of figs. You see that?
Yeah.
I don't move this one. See that, Jen?
Yeah.
Nice bunch of fig, eh?
Mhm.
I'm gonna go. Ready?
Mhm.
Oh! Woo! This thing real sharp, boy.
Yeah.
Check it out. Oh, looking.
Real nice.
Good?
Yeah.
Good, boy. I feel so proud. And here, check me. I want to tell people, plan something. How nice this is. I think it's perfect. I'll try and cut out the hands. Woo. Yeah, nice hand. Check this. Very good. Come in, Nanny. Watch this hand. Yeah? Real nice. This piece was accomplished, eh? I won't lie. I'm cutting this up, I will share it. I'll get Auntie Dan. Auntie Dan will get some, Baby will get some, and Mother will get some. And we'll keep the rest. This chopper doll. It's a better hand, check it out. It's a nice hand, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Can't go wrong. So I'll leave this here for now, guys. And then we're gonna pick a couple, what, peppers?
Yeah.
Let me go and wash this. I love this.
Going next time.
Perfect.
So we have some more peppers, check it out. Nice. That one here. Three of them not the best, but
I mean 4.
it's going good, yeah. Perfect. Last of the pimentos, I don't know. These pimentos are never ending.
Yeah.
They're just so nice. For months now I'm buying a pimento, guys. I'll leave this one. Only take the red ones. Pretty. Let's see if we get 1 or 2 mangoes. You think we'll get any mango?
Yeah, maybe.
Let me check. Is that for pimento? Let's take a walk again. There we go. Any nice blue peppers? You want to take a couple? Yeah, pick a couple. Feel we getting 3 and another tree. I don't know. When I cut grass, I could always little here, get a little fertilizer. You never know. You might catch back yourself. Yeah, pick any one. Red ones, otherwise it will just fall. Not the green ones. Let me see if you have any 1 or 2 mangoes. Puppy, just the grass will cut. I'll see any mangoes. We have one here. This one looking nice. Very nice one. Wow. Check it out. Pretty. See any more, Anya? Check and see if there's any more. Let me check. See any more? Yeah, they're not that ripe. They look fit, kind of yellow. It's right faster in the tree for some reason. I think that is about to just one. All these kind of green. Let me pick one of this one. This was so nice one. Nice one. Half ripe. Pretty. That is all, guys. So time to cut this grass. Check it out. There's the before. We see the after just now. Nothing to pick. We have another blue pepper tree coming up here, guys. Check it out. And already have blue peppers. Same.
And next,
Like from the same tree here. Very nice.
look a ladybug.
Yeah, pretty ladybug. My coconut tree coming nice. 2 years I should get coconut. Hopefully that will really tell me.
That's a bubble in it.
She very big. I just so excited for this mulberry and I can't get a mulberry yet.
I know.
You know. Go big this mulberry tree again. When they start again mulberry, I don't know how I will eat it. So maybe we'll get back to this. So guys, we send this for Auntie Dan. We'll help her and carry that. Bye bye, baby.
Bye.
Guys, we're gonna make some thick Talkari. I saw somebody on TikTok here, they make some thick Talkari and a real Fiji thick Talkari. I never make thick Talkari. Leah never make thick Talkari, but we're gonna try to make it. It's just to curry it. Nothing big, man. Just like chicken. Come in, Anya. Recognize the figures? Nice figure, man. I was gonna cut it. Big. I didn't say we're gonna cut it small, so I don't know. You see how this goes? Guys, check out the smoker in. We thought we had smoker, but smoker we have. So this meal was inspired by 2 TikTokers. One TikToker, a family on his watch. They was with their 2 sons and then they walking through the beach and cooking. I saw they cook this here, they smoker in curry, smoker in with fig Talkari with smoker in and my mom just out of water. So we trying it, so we just chunky the smoker in to get a little texture and get a little curry. And I think you could add the fig one only all that chunky.
Curry,
Cook. Oh yeah, well yes, the curry had to cook. So we need the curry cook a little bit with the smoker and then we add the fig and hopefully we add enough curry. Hopefully.
I think we're supposed to add this
So we'll see how it goes, guys. It will taste good anyhow, for sure. Have that nice fig, guys. We may be doing this the wrong way, guys, but trust me, if I do way good, that tastes bad. Right? Curry, fig, smoker, and pepper. Plenty pepper we had. How to be good.
Let's see anything.
I think it is chunky a little bit.
Put on it, so.
It is chunky, and then you add some water. We go feed some water here, and yeah, nice it. And you get nice Talkari, smoky. But I add some more pepper. We see how it goes. So guys, check out this Talkari with salt. Sorry, smoky. I taste it, guys. Just I don't want to say what taste yet. My God, check it out. Red pepper, blue pepper. Yummy. Yes, guys. I know this is nice food. I make some nice roti. Well, feel for something different. But come to this here. So if it is so how to say so the smoke already dissolved, guys. So hot. Very good. What do you got this? Guys, this is like smoky ice cream. My God. This is so good. I feel this is the best thing I can for the traditional food wise.